Well, hey, I didn't see you there. Welcome. You're a little late. Come on in. Okay, but in all seriousness, we are inside of my house now. This is not dew, my friends. This is sweat, okay? But I'm gonna walk you guys through the house a little bit. We just had a walkthrough right before our house goes into drywall. So the house is still in the stage of framing and we're going into drywall next week. I am so excited. We've had a couple delays here and there, a couple hiccups, but we're hoping that our house will be done end of September, if not early October. What I want to do is walk you guys through the rooms and have you help me pick stuff. So I am going to show you a little bit of what we have already picked out, and then you guys can help me figure out what would be best in terms of furniture. So I'll show you guys the kitchen cabinet colors we picked out, the fireplace we picked out, all that jazz, and then y'all can help me with the furniture because I'm feeling very indecisive. Here is the kitchen and breakfast area. I was really glad that you guys recommended for the kitchen area not to have the fireplace here and instead knock that out and add another window. This breakfast area I think is just gonna essentially feel like a beautiful sunroom, and I'm so incredibly grateful for it. This is a rough outline of the colors of the kitchen that we're going for and what I'm thinking of doing for our breakfast seating area. Welcome to our bedroom. This is gonna be the wall I'm planning on putting the bed on. I was thinking of putting like a little reading nook area here. And then back here is where I was gonna put like a dresser, maybe TV, mirror, all that kind of jazz. I'm not sure if I want a TV. We've never had that before, and I don't want like our entire lives to revolve around television, so we'll see. So far for the master bedroom, I have purchased a bed, a dresser, and 2 nightstands. That's actually the only thing that I've purchased for the entire house. Like I said, we're not moving until probably October, and I don't want to purchase like a massive storage unit for tons of furniture or anything like that. In terms of style, I'm trying to not do just one style. I feel like I've always had a very eclectic taste where I don't want our entire house to be neutral Scandinavian, but I also don't want it to be only like vintage eclectic. I want to mix the styles. I personally opted to go with all light wood for the master bedroom. We don't have a ton of windows in here, so I wanted to keep it like light and fresh. But I personally don't love matching bedroom sets, so they don't all match, but they do match in a way of being all light wood. So in terms of decorating, these are some options that I was thinking of, but I would love your opinion on which direction to go in because it's a little overwhelming. Welcome to the living room. So this is the fireplace. We've got 4 glass sliding doors, which I could not love more. So I'll show you how it works. So it's basically indoor-outdoor living vibes where you can push all 4 of these open, and we're gonna have like a back patio here. The majority of our yard is actually the side yards. This is gonna be a really nice space, but the side yards are massive, so I'm really excited about those. In terms of indoor-outdoor living, I just totally see myself like opening up all of these doors. As you can see, it gets such a nice breeze. I have the dogs, kids running in the backyard. I'm sitting on the porch reading a book. Then I can hear my husband in here watching TV. I love the flow of having that extra space with the indoor-outdoor living. I think it is magic. I will say in terms of furniture for the living room, I have 2 totally completely different directions that I'm very interested in going in, and I cannot decide, and this is where I need your help. I could see myself going for like an olive green sofa, blah, 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 just like adding pops of color, keeping it fun, fresh, all that jazz. I really love that look. I don't want for our house to look just like everyone else's house in the world. I want it to be us and be interesting for us. But I do think that it can be easy to get tired of a massive olive green sofa. So I do think there's a lot of like pros and cons just in terms of sustainability, like getting a white couch and adding olive green side chairs. You can change out the side chairs in 5 years, but you wouldn't have to get a whole new sofa, spend more money. It's a lot easier to change out if you just stick to neutrals, and then you can like add colorful accessories. I feel like I'm doing an absolutely horrible job of explaining this. Hopefully this is making sense. Whereas if you go with the colorful route, you could easily get sick of those colors, right? But then like it's not boring and it's fun. So I need help. Comment down below your thoughts and your ideas. Are you thinking, oh my gosh, India, you have to get the white sofa, you need to do this accent chair? No, 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 you have to paint the walls black. Like, let me know. I really do, like, I've taken you guys' advice to heart. We literally chose not to do the fireplace because of y'all's suggestions in the breakfast area. So y'all are full of amazing ideas, and I really, really appreciate your help because obviously this is my first time doing this. To conclude, I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. All of y'all have been so incredibly supportive and kind and happy for us. And it's just been so beautiful. Like, so many people being like, oh, my dream is to build a house, but like, you know, my time will come and I'm happy this is your time. Just true, genuine sisterhood vibes. And not everyone has that, and I just feel very grateful, genuinely. I feel like when anyone DMs me a message of excitement, I'm just like, thank you for being excited with us. Like, what a blessing it is, truly. And this is honestly not something I thought that I would ever be able to do, and I do feel so fortunate, and I just appreciate each and every one of you for being excited along with us. And yeah, so thank you. Comment down below your ideas on the house because I need help.